Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add finger painter and illustrator to your Gorilla Tag copy. So first of all, what you want to do, join this Discord server, which will be in the link in the description. You want to download this. If the illustrator badge doesn't come with this, just download this and import it. And you want to go back to your Unity if you have it imported. You want to type in whatever badge you want. I'm doing the canyon pin, I guess. And then it's right here. That what you want to do, enable it. I did the wrong canyon pin, I'm so dumb. Okay, never mind, don't listen to me. So you have to find the correct canyon pin first. Something I can't do. For some reason it's always like not in the correct place for me. I can never find it. Okay, I guess if you have any trouble like hearing my audio, like my voice, then it's probably just a glitch with my recording. Okay, so I cannot find my canyons pin, so instead I'm just gonna do a different pin. For this I'm just gonna do, actually no, not the city pin. I will do the crystals pin. Oh, I swear to God, if I can't find this one though. For some reason it's just not there, like any pins for me. But I don't really know why, if I'm being honest. Oh my. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just gonna pause the video so then I can actually like find it. Okay, I am back. So instead I have used the crystals pin. So what you want to do, if you've imported the finger pin or an illustrator, you want to change this where it says crystals pin. You want to type in finger, and you should see this, and then close. And it doesn't really matter for me because I'm in a rush. It's like I'm doing the tutorial, you guys aren't. So you guys can take as long as you want, and then you just want to kind of like so first of all you want to type in dunge, like D-U-N-G, in here. For some reason mine, like, I don't even know. And then drag it onto this, and then you can angle it. Whatever you do, don't change the name of whatever like item you're using. Just keep it the same name, because then you have to do a whole bunch of steps, and then it probably won't appear in game if you do that. Like, don't be like silly like I did with that. I'm just gonna change the rotation to, actually not that one. That one to be like, yeah, that's good. And then I'm just gonna put it somewhere, like just put it on the chest here. You do want to like tilt it a little bit to the side and stuff, like that. Alright, so once you've done all that, you want to click on this, copy, and then component right here. Then you want to type in on your thing, Gorilla Player Actual, and then go on to this, and then look for the exact same pin or whatever cosmetic you're using. I was using the crystals pin, and then you want to switch on and switch this to finger painter right here, which I think is this one. Yep, and now on transform, right click, paste, component values. If it's lost the material, then just type in DUNG, and then drag it on, and then most importantly, turn this off, then go back to scenes, turn this off, and then you are done with finger painter, but that's just finger painter. And now I'm going to check if I have Illustrator. I don't have Illustrator imported, so I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I have imported the Illustrator badge now, and once you have imported the Illustrator, it should be this one right here. So what you want to go ahead and do is search up one of your cosmetics. I will do the city pin for this one. Yes, it's the first one. And I think you have to drag this onto somewhere, I think. Like, drag it inside of it, then right click, prefab, unpack completely. I think you do, no, never mind, don't do that, delete that. So then what you want to do is you just want to drag this inside of your project, and then the city pin, right click, copy component, and then go into this and right click, paste component values. Why did it end up there? Never mind, don't do that. Just Control Z if it did that for you, unless it's like on the thing, and then just angle it like you did with the other thing, like this. And then I'm not sure if the Illustrator badge will work, but the finger pin, I'm sure that will work. Why does this look like it's the wrong way? So the Illustrator badge, make sure you do like the same what you did with the finger painter for this, like how you angle the finger painter and stuff. That's about how I did it. And then on the city pin, you want to, on the mesh render, disable that, and then you want to right click, prefab, unpack completely, and then drag this under the city pin right here. And then what you want to do is, this should be complete, so right click, copy component, and then you want to keep it on for now, and then Gorilla Player Actual, and then go into that, and then you want to type in the exact same cosmetic you did, and then enable it. Don't mind this, it just says that for me sometimes. And then you want to just drag in the Illustrator again, and then transform, right click, paste component values. Okay, never mind, for some reason it doesn't work on the Illustrator if you want to paste stuff, so don't do it, just set it up like you did. You're gonna have to. So Illustrator will take a bit longer to do, I think, but then it will look a bit weird. It should be only like that in Gorilla Play Actual, not in the actual game. So just angle it, like try and angle it how you did last time. Illustrator does look a bit small when you're in game, but it's completely fine. It's meant to look like that. Looks like that in every game that has Illustrator, except for Gorilla Tag. You just want to do the exact same steps, like click on this, mesh render, disable. I think mine is all set up. Yeah, mine's all set up. So what you want to do again, right click, prefab, unpack completely, then drag this inside of the cosmetic you was doing. I was doing the city pin, so I drag it inside the city pin. Once I find it, here, drag it inside there, And then what you want to do is you want to turn off the city pin and then go back to scenes and then go on to the city pin and then turn it off, and then fingerpin or illustrator should be set up now. DM me on Discord or something, or like ping me in my help server if it doesn't work, and I'll find a way to fix it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and goodbye.